Hello everybody, this is Aryan and you are watching the Chashmish Vakil. So it has been quite a break and I welcome back all of you. So today we are going to talk about the story which is very close to our hearts and probably all of us have heard it at some point in our childhood. So it is the story of the rabbit and the turtle. So everybody knows the story that they decided to have a race and the rabbit was very confident that he will be winning, and in his overconfidence the rabbits and the turtles they started the race, and midway the rabbit went and decided to sleep, whereas the turtle he was consistent and he kept on walking, he kept on walking, he kept on walking in his slow speed, and surprisingly he won the race. Like, he beat all the odds to just win the race. None of us could have ever imagined it, right? And it is the turtle that wins in real life too. Kudos to the author who wrote this little story, so old, and what a brilliant way of transferring such a beautiful message to the younger generation. And so we should know this thing that life is not a sprint, it is a marathon. And the rabbit understood it well. Even though he was slow, he knew that he could win. He did not give up, he just kept on trying. You know, the most difficult part about when you work on something is getting started, okay? That is the most difficult part in this world where we have so many distractions around us, our mobile phones, our laptops, so many other things. Getting started is really difficult, and once you get started, that's a good start. So after that, what you can do, how can you achieve those huge tasks? So I'm going to share these things, these lessons which I learned from a course on Skillshare. I did it 2 or 3 months ago. So it was a really nice course, and very creatively the teacher explained that how can we be consistent in our efforts. See, you might have a big project, a moot court coming up, or some competition you are preparing for, or your upcoming exams, or anything you're trying to learn, anything. You know, you have started, you have the excitement right now, but guess what? The excitement will die down after some day. It might die down after some days, and it will be really difficult for you to continue then, especially when you are alone in it. So, how do you continue? The road ahead is too long. You see the end journey, and you know it is very far away. You can see कि वहाँ तक पहुँचने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, बहुत मेहनत लगेगा. It is really difficult. That is the most difficult part, seeing how to reach there, that particular point where you want to reach. As the course taught me, you should just focus on the task right at your hand and not look at the end journey. The end game is far away. Just focus कि आज क्या करना है, जो आज करने से I can reach to that next step that will be tomorrow. So focus on your present thing well, and the rest, the future will be taken care of itself. And that was the main core message of the lesson I learned from that video, and that is the core message I wanted to share with all of you through this video today. So I hope it helps you somewhere, and I also hope that everybody is doing great. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something new today. So take care.